Beautiful bird. Birds have feathers, wings, a beak, and they can fly in the sky. They build nests and lay eggs. Some have colorful feathers like peacock, parrots, etc. Some birds can swim like duck, swans, etc. Parrots are tropical birds that can imitate you and can be kept as a pet. Parrots are of different colors such as green and red. Parrots eat small grains, fruits, berries, etc. Ostrich is the world's largest bird. Ostrich is the large flightless bird. Ostrich is a tall bird. They have the largest eggs. Sparrow is small birds in grey color. They eat insects, seeds, fruits, etc. Sparrows build their nest on trees. Due to human activities, many species of the birds are in danger. We need to protect these birds.